To fix no audio device installed Windows 11, right-click on Start, select Device Manager. At the top, click on Action. Now select Scan for hardware changes. Wait a few seconds while Windows search for missing hardware. It's not going to take that long. Once it finished, click on Start, then restart your PC. After restart, check if the audio is back. If the problem still isn't fixed, open the Device Manager one more time. This time you have to click on View, then select Show Hidden Devices. Now expand Sound, Video and Game Controller. Look for your audio device, like I have high definition audio device. If it's disabled, right-click on it and select Enable Device. After enabling, you can see my audio device is working again. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.